I started off as a youth worker. When I was in university, I got the opportunity to do a student placement with Llywodraeth in their Learning for Life department and just totally fell in love with it. Just because you worked with the young person as a young person rather than just a student who was there to achieve a grade.
Learning for Life is a programme for young people 16 to 24 who have left education and not achieved their potential in mainstream education. So they've got multiple barriers like mental health issues, substance misuse, young offenders, could be social anxiety, bullying, chaotic lifestyles. So basically there's something stopping them attending mainstream education and achieving as they would have if everything had been perfect in their lives.
You've got a lot of anxiety disorders, so walking into a big classroom for them is impossible. They need the small numbers, they need that one-to-one attention. We've also got young people who, for behavioural reasons, they weren't that good in school. When they come here, we just try and adapt to their behaviour, so they're still learning, but we're still adapting to sort of how they behave in the classroom and getting out, the best out of them.
Laura is quite possibly the only safe space for these young people, but she's a tutor as well. So she achieves amazing outcomes and gets them through qualifications, they progress, they take massive steps forward, but she also deals with all the things that stop them achieving, and that's a really hard balancing act.
She's just amazing, really. She sits there and supports you if you need your help, and if you need someone to talk to, she's there. You can always speak to someone. She's really like a friend more than a tutor, even though she keeps her tutor work, but you can speak to her as like a friend.
It's amazing how quickly a young person who's shut down to every other professional will just start telling her what's wrong and what help they need, and her positivity kind of brings them along, so no matter how down they are, she can keep them moving forwards. Once they're one of Laura's, they are fiercely loyal to Laura.
Life doesn't just follow one single line. You can branch off and go in all kinds of different directions, and I think adult education is there as that tool to be able to allow people to do that.
Laura, thank you so much for everything you've done. We're so proud of you. Thank you from the team, because we really value you, but more importantly, thank you from every learner that you've helped.
Well done, thank you for the support, and you're amazing.
It's an absolute honour. To be honest, it's not just me who deserves this award, it's the entire team. I wouldn't be able to do half of what I could do in this job without the support of the team around me and my manager. But yeah, really, really happy, really.